Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another this or that for you guys. And today, I got my boy Biggs with me.
What up?
Is that all you got to say?
What up?
All right, that's all he's got to say.
That's all I got.
Wheels, tires, suspension, accessories. They're doing Thanksgiving in the lunchroom right now. CustomOffsets.com. Also, we're doing another giveaway. Hoodie here, hoodie there. You can also pick up a t-shirt. It's just really cold in Wisconsin right now. CustomOffsets.com/giveaway. Let's hop to it.
Drive a nosediving truck or drive a squatted truck?
Whew. You want me to go first?
So like a toot or a reverse toot?
I mean,
toot for sure.
Squatted.
Yeah.
Squatted for sure.
But I'd do it a little bit differently. Like I wouldn't do like I would want like squatted with like some stance, not like flush setup squatted on like 9 wide snowflakes.
Dude, that's so funny though, because yesterday Lawson looks over at me and he goes, "Hey, we should start squatting our trucks and running snowflakes." I looked at him.
I feel like to build a squad truck would kind of be funny. I feel like that'd be like something cool to do.
Yeah, definitely squatted with stance. I kind of dig it. I mean, you're gonna roast me for it, but I mean,
but it's better than.
Oh my God, that looks so bad.
I would never squat a truck, you loser.
I've personally both.
Shut up, next.
Personally, both are terrible, but squatted.
First gen Cummins or second gen Cummins?
I know what you want.
First gen.
Second gen.
Why?
I don't like the boxy front ends on the front first gens.
I don't like the roundy front ends on the second gens.
That's why I don't like Chevy. I don't like the boxy front ends. I just like the beefy. I don't know. They're not even beefy, but like even the Rams front end, like even the newer Rams front ends are like mean looking, but they're not like look like they hit a brick wall.
Yeah. I don't know. I dig the box. I know it was only really in the first gen, but. It's just, they look so good. I can't remember dude's name on Instagram, but it's the huge lifted one. Stanced out, looks so damn good. And I think second gen, they weren't quite there yet. It was such a drastic change from first to second. And then that's when they really started to fine tune, because like second's decent, third meh, and then like fourth, fifth.
Honestly, that's crazy though, like going from, just like the boxy front end, just to, let's just totally change it to like a rounded front end. Yeah, I mean, they don't quite have it, but it's
sorry, John, we're talking way too much.
A lot better.
Second gen Raptor or Ram TRX?
Raptor all day. I'm just a Ford guy. No question. That's all I got.
Damn,
that's all I got.
That's a good one. I'm gonna go Raptor as well.
Raptors are beautiful.
Yeah, and just everything that they come with, the suspension, just like already ready to hit, which I guess like the TRX is as well, but I feel like especially the new TRX has so much going on that I'm not a huge fan of. Personally, I've never been in a TRX. I've been in plenty of Raptors, so maybe that's why I'm biased, but I definitely dig the Raptor.
Yeah, I'm definitely biased.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just a Ford guy. Yeah.
Probably building a Raptor right now. That's what all that grinding is.
Oh.
Giant show truck year-round or nice new daily and a modest winter beater?
Oh, this is a good one.
I'm gonna say show truck because like yesterday I put my truck away for the winter because Wisconsin winters are insane.
It depends where you are.
And yeah, it depends where you are, but like personally for me, like if I didn't have to worry about anything and like could get a new truck every year or something like that, I definitely would like to do a show truck all year round. I just didn't because I'm trying to maintain my wrap, I'm trying to maintain my custom painted wheels and suspension.
There's just a lot that goes into it that you don't want to just literally just ruin. Pretty much is what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
But I'd probably do show truck year round as well. I don't know. But then I look at Sean's daily and I'm like, damn, that's a nice daily, and then you just get a winter beater and just know that you don't give a crap about it and just freaking jump it and drive it off cliffs and shit.
That's true. That's a hard question.
It is a hard question, but definitely I'd probably go show truck as well.
If you could choose any wheel color as a staple for years to come, which color and why?
Yeah, I know what you're...
Like for your build?
I mean, yeah, I'm assuming. Probably, I mean,
Candy purple.
Yep, I knew you're purple the world, baby.
Yeah.
I'd probably go, I don't know, I've been into this like really light blue, like an ice blue. I think that would look sick, just to be my staple. Every vehicle I run has just some ice blue wheels. That'd be sick.
I've also been digging like the candy red. I've
Yeah.
been seeing a lot of like candy illusion red around.
Yeah.
Looks pretty hot. If
Red.
I were to ever get away from purple, but like I'm already thinking that I want purple on the next truck.
Yeah,
I just dig it so much.
yeah. I think red wheels on a white truck, like CO2 when it had the red wheels on it, looks beautiful. I think it just pops, but yeah.
Manual in the column or on the floor?
Manual and column on the floor. I've never, I'm literally 20 years old. I've never seen on the column before in my life. So I'm just gonna go with what I know, go on the floor.
I'd go on the column. Just because it's so, I don't know, it's just especially even like with having cars and whatever, I still think like it feels weird in a truck to have it on the, like, that's why I
Yeah.
thought it was so weird that your like F-150 like shifter is
In the middle.
and like I don't hate that, but if I had to choose, I dig like my column shifter on my Silverado.
I feel like that's just what you're used to.
Yeah.
I had the column, like just the shifter on the column, and then I switched to this one. I love it. I mean, it just, I don't know.
Personal preference.
Yeah, you don't have as much room because your whole middle's taken up by console area, but I like it.
Would you rather go to heaven or hell to see what it's like for 30 minutes and then come back to Earth?
For 30 minutes, damn. I'd probably go to hell for 30 minutes. That way when I come back to Earth, I'll be like, okay, I need to straighten my up so I don't go there again.
Honestly, that's kind of what I was thinking.
Yeah,
I feel like that would be a big eye-opening experience. I feel like that would really make you think like rethink your life and your actions.
yeah,
Cause like, then you could come back and go to like a nice, warm, peaceful place and just really be in thought of what you saw.
yeah, just
and how you're gonna
reflect.
change and reflect on your life.
Yeah,
Instead of like a 30-minute vacation or, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
and then like to come back and be like, all right,
Take them to church.
all right, let's keep acting the way I am, and then I won't even be able to come back here.
yeah. All right, guys, that's what we got for you guys on this episode of This or That. If you guys enjoy this, definitely make sure to like this video. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. Once again, we are doing another giveaway at customoffsets.com/giveaway, and we'll see you guys in the next one.